A quick video to explain. Basically, I couldn't find anywhere online a good video of how to fit a shifter cable to the shifter on my derailleur, on my rear derailleur. Very simple. Basically, we've got a little grub screw that comes out of here. Take the old cable out. Simple as that. And what my problem was that I'd put in the shifter cable with the shifter internal pulley in the wrong place. So what you need to do is make sure that you click like so until you see the hole. So I was putting it in when it was in the wrong place, and therefore when I put it in, the end part, like little dumbbell end part here, wasn't actually secured in the right place, so the shifter just didn't work, didn't do anything. So it's very simple. What we're going to do is we're going to take out the old cable, put the shifter into the right position. I don't know if you can see that. Can you focus in and so that people can see the hole? Brilliant. Okay, so we take the outer sheath out of here like so. I take that off. And then what I did was I just put a little bit of oil. I've already done this once. Put a little bit of oil in there. Dipped it in there so that it basically drops down through the sheath. So it's easier to get the shifter cable in that hole and down through and thread it correctly. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to shove this through the hole. Let's get the torch again so we can see properly. Can you see there? Put that through that hole, like so. Lovely. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get the shifter adjuster, put the cable through there and then through the sheath, like so. Push it through, attach it back up here, and then we're going to shift the whole of the cable through here until it comes out the other end on the derailleur side. Then we're going to put the grub screw back in. So I'm trying not to make this too long, so hopefully we'll get there before we run out of storage on the phone, so we can get the grub screw in. But if we don't, we just get it all the way down and then put the grub screw in at the end. So if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, do all that crazy stuff, and while I'm at it, I might as well plug my massage therapist website and number. Take it easy.